Actually, wala akong pera, eh. Pure talent. Sir, wala naman ako talagang puhunan,
Oo.
employee ako. Right now, we already have 179 branches.
179 branches.
Yes, with
Ang
5
dami nun,
ongoing projects.
Ganun ang negosyo di ba? Challenge after challenge. It's actually problem solving. Nakasolve ka ng problema ng isang kliyente, then it became a business for you. Hello, I am Bonnie De Jesus of Kapayaman. Welcome to Kapayaman Story. Nasa harapan ko ngayon si Roderick Dilag, isang negosyante. I guess,
Thank you
Roderick,
for,
ikaw
thank you
na
for,
ang magkwento. Ano ka ba?
thank you for inviting me.
Ano ba ginagawa mo ngayon? Ano ba yung business mo?
Thank you for inviting me here,
Thank you
Mr.
rin for
Bonnie.
coming here.
Right now, importer po kami ng laundry machines. At the same time, marketing ano namin is franchising ng mga laundromat.
Oh, nagpa-franchise kayo.
Yes, opo.
Laundromat.
Yes po.
Okay, what does it mean?
So,
Nagpa-franchise
ito yung
kayo.
mga nakikita natin sa mga streets na mga self-service laundry.
Yun yun.
So, yung
Okay.
mga household nagdadala ng laundry.
Usong-uso na ngayon, di na naglalaba mga tao.
It's
Ano?
time consuming po kasi. Tsaka yung expenses. Mas
Oo.
lumalabas kasi mas mura
Mas
pa.
mura pa.
Exactly.
Okay. So, nagpa-franchise kayo ng laundry businesses, no?
Yes.
All over the country ba?
Nationwide po.
Ano pangalan ng business ninyo?
Tipid Sulit Laundromat.
Tipid Sulit Laundromat. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin, guys, no? Ang dami kong natututunan dito sa kay Roderick, ano? His journey is very interesting, ano? Huwag kayong maaalis dahil I am sure para sa mga nagdinegosyo, no? Marami kayong mapupulot na lessons dito. At yung pagbi-business ninyo, hindi na siya misteryosong business, no? Alam ninyo mga dadaanan ninyo. Okay, makinig kayo, no? Roderick, ano ka ba dati bago ka nagnegosyo?
I started as a IT engineer.
IT
Yes.
engineer. Okay.
So, during that time, nagtatrabaho ako sa multinational company. So, to be exact, Accenture. So, nag-decide ako na lumipat sa smaller company para ma-figure out ko yung entire operation. So, nag-work ako as a developer, automation developer. And
Ibig
then,
sabihin, developer, nagde-develop ka ng
yes, yun po.
systems.
po. Opo,
Okay.
during that time. Tapos, nung late part, naging service engineer na po ako. Doon na po ako nagtayo ng freelancing.
Ano ibig sabihin ng service engineer?
Bali, meron po yung company namin nagbebenta po ng mga machineries, automated machines na. And then ako po yung nagbibisit doon sa mga client para mag-training ng mga operators at saka yung
I
maintenance.
see. Ano yung mga makina na yon?
To be specific, printing machines.
Printing machines.
Yung
I
mga
see.
printing automation, mga offsets, saka yung
Okay.
mga pre-press and post-press
Okay.
machineries during that time. And then, nag-start na po yung journey ko doon sa entrepreneurial nung nagtayo ako ng isang maliit na automation shop, parang gano'n.
Nagtayo ka ng automation shop.
Yes.
Ano yun?
Kasi dito sa atin uso yung mga maliliit na bagay na automate, like example yung automatic light on, mga gano'n, electronic kits.
Kahit ano pwedeng i-automate.
Yes.
Ibig mo sabihin?
Yes. During that time. Mga small things to...
Ang mga kliyente mo, yung mga gusto magpa-automate.
Yes, mga gano'n.
Automate ng lighting, automate ng...
Yes, yung mga automated na messaging messages,
okay.
SMS, mga gano'n. Saka yung mga
SMS,
GPS,
I see,
during that
I
time,
see.
nag-start na.
So, yun ang unang business mo?
Yes, yun po.
I see.
Tapos, dung time na yon na nagkaroon po ako ng isang client na meron siyang laundry shop.
Oho.
So, ang problem niya is paano niya i-scale up kasi nagiging problem niya is yung monitoring. Dahil pag dumadami na, nagiging challenging na sa kanya yung
So nagkaroon siya ng maraming branch ng laundry shop.
Opo.
Naging challenging sa kanya.
Naging challenging.
Wow, nakikita ko na. Naging challenge din sa'yo, no?
Yes. So, yun yung problem na binigay niya sa akin. And then, I try to figure out with my team. And then, nag-create kami ng solution para sa kanya.
Ayun.
Doon.
In-automate mo yung laundry shop niya?
Yes.
Wow. So, doon nag-umpisa yung iyong business.
Yes, purely skill. Wala
So,
po
hindi
kasing
lang
puhunan, eh.
ito ano, yung business mo, hindi lang franchising ng tipid sulit.
So, dun po nag-start kasi nung nakakapaggawa na ako ng automation sa kanya since entrepreneurial mindset na siya before, hindi.
Oo,
Ako kasi
oo.
very employee mindset ako during that time, eh.
Oo,
So,
oo.
hindi kasi ako belong dun sa mga family na ang business. So, my mom is a
Oo.
public school teacher and my dad is a farmer.
A farmer.
Yes, yes. So,
Wow.
nung sinabihan niya ako na may potential yung ginawa mo, pakikinabangan 'to ng marami once na ni-launch natin. So, we decided to create this system open to
Wow. It
anyone.
was an opportunity
Yes.
that was waiting for you to develop yung iyong talent sa automation. Grabe ano?
Oo.
Napunta ka sa automation ng laundry business. Grabe. So, itong laundry business pagka in-automate ito, ano nangyayari? Ano ba yung value added ng automation?
Actually, ang challenge kasi sa laundry, siyempre 'pag nag-put up tayo nito, kukuha tayo ng staff natin na mag-o-operate nung machine. So, and ang challenge is once na umalis tayo, yung unang-una, yung tracking system kung ilang beses ginamit yung machine. Then another thing
Oo.
is yung mga inventories natin do'n, yung mga supplies. And then
Oo.
yung, staff performance kung
Nadidetect
nagtatrabaho ba
ba kung
siya.
sobra-sobrang nilagay na sabon?
Yes, ma-identified na ng
Malulugi
system.
yung may-ari.
Yes,
Oo.
ma-identified yun do'n sa inventory system.
Madedetect ba kung hindi pinasok yung pera?
Yes, kasi yung machine hindi aandar kapag hindi siya nag-punch ng
Oh,
amount,
ayun.
eh.
Ang galing,
Oo,
Oo. So, yung may-ari kampante ano,
yes.
'no? Kahit na 20 yung machine niya, kampante siya 'no,
Yes, yes.
tumatakbo.
Oo.
At the end of the day, nakikita ba niya yung record ng sales niya?
Yes, definitely. Kasi
Hmm.
naka-ano 'to, naka-IoT siya tapos meron kaming, cloud-based system na
Aha.
nag-a-upload dun yung lahat ng mga transactions tsaka
Ang galing
information.
ano.
So, maglo-login lang sila dun sa website
Kasi alam
namin.
mo, nakita kong problem kasi pagka halimbawa kung marami ka ng branches at wala kang automation ano, tayo ka akala mo pero minsan, bakit ako nalulugi? Yung pala
Yeah,
nauubos yung sabon mo sobra-sobra, nauubos yung supply mo o yung pera hindi pumapasok sa kaha.
exactly. Yun yung madalas mangyari.
Madalas mangyari yun, 'no?
Madalas mangyari. Kasi kung makikita niyo napakataas ng demand ng laundry pero ang
Oo,
dami pa rin nagsho-shutdown dahil
oo.
hindi maayos yung sistema.
Ayun, kahit na ang dami mong customer, kung hindi maayos yung sistema, wala pa
Magka-crash yan.
rin ano,
Mm.
puwedeng malugi ka pa rin.
Kasi tumataas yung operation expenses mo then hindi mo nata-track yung income mo, eh.
Ayun. Eto day to day nata-track mo yung operating expense
Yes, yes,
mo.
yes.
Wala ng surprise,
Yes.
'di ba? Alam mo kung magkanong naiipon mo day to day at pambayad mo ng renta at may suswelduhan ka.
Yes.
Eh, paano kung after 1 month tsaka mo lang malalaman na ito pala yung pumasok,
Oo. This time real time. So every
real
time na
time.
ginagamit nila yung machine nila, nakikita nila yung login nung mga
Yeah.
transactions tsaka yung
Ay,
amount na pumapasok.
no, ang nakita ko dito is parang nag-i-slide ka from being employed, 'no, as an IT engineer, service engineer, tapos nagkaroon ka ng challenge from one of your clients how to automate the many branches, ano? Parang dun ba sa time na yon may inkling ka na magiging negosyo yon? Before we continue, gusto ko rin kayong i-invite sa upcoming Kapayamang event. If you're someone na gustong matuto tungkol sa negosyo, finances, faith, at personal growth, this event is for you. Follow our social media pages para sa complete details. Now, let's go back to our conversation.
Nung una, parang ang tingin ko nacha-challenge lang akong solvein yung mga problems na meron sila.
Parang challenge lang sa'yo,
Oo.
ano?
Pero nung na-figure out ko na marami palang nangangailangan nito,
Oo.
doon ko naisip na mag-focus na lang dito sa field of expertise
Ayun.
ng laundry instead of doing anything under the sun. So kasi IT is very wide
Wide, no? Pero napunta ka sa specific.
very specific
Oo,
dapat.
automation ng laundry.
Yeah.
Grabe, ano? Alam mo, ganyan din nangyari sa akin, eh. Kasi yung isang challenge na sinolve ko sa isang kaibigan na nagpapagawa sa akin ng financial project, sinolve ko. Doon nag-umpisa ang aking pagbi-business. Hindi ko akalain na makarating ako dito. Ganun ang negosyo, eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Challenge after challenge. It's actually problem solving. Nakasolve ka ng problema ng isang kliyente, then it became a business for you. Di ba?
Yes.
Kwento mo nga paano ka nag-transition from there, no?
So, nung nag-start na nga ako 'no, during that time na nagkaroon siya ng problem, sinolve ko and then na-figure out niya na maganda yung solution na ginawa
Ah,
namin. So,
okey.
parang naisip niya hindi worth it na siya lang yung makikinabang kasi malaki yung parang nakikita niya na malaking potential yung system.
Oh,
And then we try to launch it dun sa public and then one of manufacturing company from US nagkaroon
okey.
ng interest dun sa, ano namin integration. So, parang kasing ginagawa namin 'no, modified namin yung mga machines, eh.
Okey.
So, nilalagyan namin ng mga single board computer para maging
Ibig mong
IoT.
sabihin yung American company, nakita nila yung idea ninyo?
Yes,
Wow, tayo pang Pilipino nag-innovate ano?
yes. Kasi yung, cultural practices natin dito sa Philippines is completely different with the US business.
Ayun.
Sa kanila, yung mga self-service laundry nila is unmanned. Dahil yung mga
Ah,
laundromat sa US is unmanned. So, pagdating dito sa
coins
Philippines,
lang sila 'no?
yes, yung design nila hindi
Oo,
adapted dito sa Philippines kasi unang-una yung coin system natin very variable, laging
okey.
nagpapalit. And then yung value is very cheap compared with services
Okey,
that
baka
we
baka
offer.
singitan ng mga bakal ano?
May possibility and then at the same time yung auditing din medyo challenging din kasi you
Oo,
need to go to every shops to count the
ayun.
coin,
So
eh.
ibang-iba sa atin,
Yes,
may pagka-manual,
yes.
'no?
May tao pa rin
May
tayo,
tao pa rin,
oo.
oo.
Kasi
Hindi
tayo mga
nawawala yun,
Pilipino,
eh, oo.
tayo mga Pilipino sanay ng merong nag-a-accommodate, eh. Once
Oo
na
nga,
pumasok tayo sa isang
oo.
establishment, meron taong
Oo, hindi
mag-a-accommodate,
tayo
oo.
sanay na walang tao, eh, 'no, walang
Yes. Saka
nakakausap,
yung
oo.
vandalism medyo ano, medyo challenging dito sa Philippines, oo.
Vandalism,
Kaya
isa
hindi
challenge.
Kaya hindi nila ma-implement yung technology nila dito. So, then nung nakita nila yung technology ginawa namin, so dun nag-come up sa kanila na magandang partner 'to. So, dun na kami nagkaroon ng break with the US company to
So, one after another ano,
yes,
hindi mo naman pinlano
hindi.
magkakaroon ka ng gano'ng partner
Yeah.
ano?
Nung una hindi ko rin ma-figure out paano ako napupunta ro'n, eh. Para akong
Para
dinadala
kang
ng
gina-guide 'no?
oo,
May
and
guide
then
ka, si Lord 'no?
nun ko na na-realize na, lahat ng may gawa nito si Lord. Kasi hindi ko naman
Oo.
'to nagawa dahil magaling ako. Kasi mas maraming magaling na IT engineer sa'kin, na marami rin mas magaling na
Tama yung
negosyante
sinabi mo.
kaysa
Hindi ka
sa'kin.
kinakailangan magaling,
Yes,
'no? Kasi gumagaling ka naman habang kasama mo si Lord at
yes.
sinusunod mo siya.
Yes, yun yun, yung vision mo sa
Oo,
mga ginagawa
oo.
mo.
Ano ang ano, okey, ang ganda ng negosyo mo 'no? Parang, wala kang ginaya, parang dumating sa'yo nung finish mo yung bawat challenge, sinolve mo yung problema, parang nag-slide ka lang dun ano? Napakaganda ng istorya mo 'no? And I guess marami ding challenge. Anong challenge na ano, dinaanan mo bilang entrepreneur?
Sa'kin I think yung biggest challenge is yung hindi ko naintindihan na yung palang business 'pag lumalaki nagkakaroon ng mas malaking challenge.
Ayun,
So, nung start ang pino-problem ko lang yung automation system. So,
oo,
dahil yun yung forte ko walang masyadong naging problema.
oo.
Nag-come up ngayon na establish kami ng right now we already have 179 branches.
179
Yes,
branches,
with,
ang
5,
dami nun,
ongoing projects. So,
oo.
dun na ngayon ako nung naka-realize na I'm not facing only automation problem. So, yun na yung challenge kasi
Oo,
dun ko na na-realize na every business owners have their own cultural practices
oo.
and then, some stuffs we need to train.
So, ang challenge
Yes.
is saan ba? Sa tao, sa
Ah,
sistema, sa cash flow ba? Ano bang challenge na
ah,
hinaharap?
naghalo-halo na pero ang pinaka right now yung na-experience kong challenge is of course yung how to, introduce our cultural practices with our partners. Kasi meron na kaming
Okey,
nabuong culture dun sa team namin.
okey,
Aside from automation, so we need to create our environment, eh,
okey.
para mabuo. Then since this is a ecosystem, so nandito yung franchisee, nandito yung staff, nandito yung, technical team namin and of course yung ano namin. So lumaki na yung
May ecosystem talaga 'no?
yes. So kailangan
Nasa
i-balance.
andiyan yung franchisees, nandiyan yung mga employees mo,
Yes,
andiyan yung mga partners 'no? Meron talagang ano 'no?
gumano na siya,
At
lumaki
may
na.
binuo kang sabi mo culture?
Yes,
Ano ba
kasi,
yung culture na 'yan?
ah nag-come up kami of course dun sa ano yung values na meron kami and then yung mission vision namin.
Oh,
So even we are, working with technology, we always consider yung customer relationship.
hmm,
So kasi hindi naman laging yung tao satisfied with automation and with
okey,
robots, eh. So
okey,
naghahanap tayo ng tao kasi we have emotions,
okey,
feelings 'no.
oo,
So we found out na hindi kayang solvein lang ng automation yung,
oo.
business. Kailangan natin yung feelings natin dun sa
Kailan
customer natin,
yeah.
care natin, yung value na gusto nating ibigay sa kanila.
You have to make sure that each franchisee who buys, the franchise from you with the automation, kinakailangan magwo-work yung business nila,
Yes,
right?
this is my commitment.
That's why meron kang vision, mission.
Yes.
part yun ng vision, mission mo.
Yes, exactly.
And values, no?
Yeah.
Paano ba nag-work yung vision, mission, and values do sa business na lumalaki? Ano ba yung ano niyan? Nagagawa niyan?
Nabuo yung mission namin by solving the problems eh. Ang
So you just
nangyari,
want to solve the problem
yes,
of the laundry businessmen.
yes,
Dahil palagi ang problema niya tao, pilferage,
yes,
lugi.
yeah.
Gusto mo solve yung problem na yon.
Actually, we're facing both B2B and B2C problem.
Oo.
So, dahil meron kaming franchise idea to solve B2B problem para makapag-business sila ng mas simple at saka mas productive, we have also a problem with B2C. Kailangan gustuhin ng mga end users yung mga outlets namin.
Ayun.
So, we were finding solution for both sides.
So you're solving the problem of the business owner who owns the laundry franchise and the customers as well.
Yes, of course. Kasi yun
Galing,
yung ano eh, yun yung
Kasi kung hindi mo
ecosystem eh.
sinolve yung problem ng customer, hindi naman lalapit doon sa
Yes,
business yun.
exactly.
So you're actually solving the problem of the business person to
Even-
make it profitable.
Even you have the best technology, if you
Oo.
don't solve the problem of your customer,
I
it
see.
doesn't
So
matter.
paano yun? You engage in franchising, you're actually telling the franchisee na what I'm providing you is not only the machines, not only the automation, but a business model that works.
Yes, definitely.
Oo. Ang galing, ano? So, the key is actually the system, the automated system that you are giving the franchisees.
Yes, on the side of B2B, of course, the automation itself is work very
Oo.
fine.
Oo.
But on the side of our customer, yung end users,
Oo.
dun papasok yung tinatawag nating personal emotion. So we need to serve our customer with
Happy yung
Yes,
customer.
yes,
Paano
exactly.
siya nagiging happy?
So we
Bakit?
train the staffs. Of course, we
Oo.
train the staffs yung ano yung
Kasama yung
values.
training.
Ano yung
Okay.
values nila
Pati
to cater
values,
the
ah.
services.
Oh, being customer oriented,
Yes.
no? Make sure na efficient delivery, yung time.
Yes, yes, yes. Doon lumabas yung difference ng US technology versus Philippine technology.
Oo.
Because in US technology, we do fully automated, unmanned.
Oo.
So nobody's around, it's just a
Oo.
machine. So pupunta lang yung mga customers doon to do their laundry
Oo.
by their own. Then
I see.
we decided to mix it with automation at the same time with customer services. So
I
that's
see.
why meron kaming ibang business model compared with US.
So nasabi mo yung vision, mission, and values, no? Ano ba yung vision, mission mo?
Actually,
business.
mission is very simple to create customer relationship by providing economical quality and of course reliable laundry services.
In short, to make the customer happy.
Yes, exactly.
Ah.
To make it loyal.
Oh,
Di ba?
okay.
Yun lang naman eh. Parang,
Make them loyal. Oh.
yes, yun lang naman yung simple sa mga customer. As long
Oo.
as you give the solution and
They
to
keep on
serve them
coming back.
better. And
Kasi
then-
palagi naman silang nagpapalabay, di ba?
Yes, and value for money of course. Kaya
Okay.
tipid sulit laundromat.
Oo.
Then after that, our vision is of course to spread it nationwide, and which is nangyayari naman na ngayon.
Wow.
So we already have our branches in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Why not? With the automation, ano?
Yes, because automation is nationwide implemented naman na eh. So
Oo.
we don't have any challenge like yung mga ibang franchise na they do clustering.
Aha.
So in our side, we do random establishment anywhere in the Philippines as long as we have internet. Or
Hanggang saan
data.
kayo nakarating?
Right now we have in Surigao, Cagayan
as
de
far as
Oro.
Surigao, ah.
Oh, yes, and also in Cebu, Tacloban, and then we have in Luzon, buong Luzon. So from Apari
Grabe,
to
the son of
Cebu.
a farmer and a teacher is spreading wide
Yeah.
all over the Philippines, right? So, ang challenge mo is lumaki yung business mo in how many years ba?
So we start this business nung research ko noong 2017, and then we decided to launch it 2018. And
Grabe, 8 years pa lang.
actually we established yung franchise 2020. Kasi meron
Wow.
kaming
Ang,
ano eh,
ang
meron
bilis,
kaming
ah. You know, 179 branches, ah.
Yeah.
Ang bilis.
Yeah.
Grabe.
That's why yun yung nagiging challenge.
Paano mo nahahabol yung paglaki na yan? Anong ginagawa mo?
Yun yung
Oo.
challenge. So nangyari, syempre, lumaki yung expectation ng partners namin from
Oo.
US dahil yung volume ng dinidistribute namin. So nagkaroon kami ng challenge do sa cash flow.
Mm.
Dahil since we're ordering this from US, we
Oo.
have a lead time around 75 days before
Okay.
shipment arrive in the Philippines.
Oo.
So ang issue is we dispose around 1 container every month. But the travel distance is
Long.
huge. So
Oo.
we spend around 75 days. So at least 4 containers from source, sea, port to warehouse. So meron
Mm.
kaming 4 containers na nakalatag sa
Mm.
sa area namin bago makarating yung first container sa amin.
Oo.
Para yung
Oo.
pagkakasunod-sunod niya
Oo.
and the issue is we need to pay first before we order. Cash.
Cash
That's
before you.
yes, yes,
Eh,
yes.
paano yun? Lumalaki yung order mo.
Yes.
How can you manage? May
That's
utang
why
ka ba?
yun yung naging
Oo.
challenge. So we
Oo.
need to, of course, to finance from other institution like cooperative and banks. But iba kasi yung challenge ng facing ng mabilis yung paglabas ng cash flow mo
Mm.
from your bank account going to suppliers
Mm.
kasi
Mm.
volume yun eh.
Mm.
So and then distribution is you're talking about store by store
Mm.
and many transactions. So hindi ganoon kasimple ipunin yung cash flow mo dito sa operation mo versus yung pag-order mo na one
Correct.
yun sa
May
So
gap yun eh. O
yun.
baka may banker na nakikinig dito ha. Ito, kausapin nyo na si Roderick. Kasi baka kailangan nyo ng borrower.
Yeah.
I believe na marami pang pangailangan si Roderick sa business niya. No? Lumalaki pa eh. No? Kung meron kang lesson na gustong i-share sa ating mga nanonood, ano yun? Yung lesson na yun?
I think you have to keep 3 things in yourself para maging una-una yung be smart. Hindi naman kailangan natin sobrang matalino. Basta alam
Okay.
lang natin kung ano yung kailangan ng tao, yung konting talino natin na i-serve natin dun sa mga tao.
Ibig mo
This is a God
sabihin,
talent given
yung
to us.
konting meron ka, whether talino yan o abilidad, i-serve mo sa
Yes.
customer.
Yes.
Kasi yun na nakita ko sa'yo, no? Sa simula pa, nag-serve ka sa isang kumpanya, tapos merong challenge yung customer na ng automation, ginawa mo and then it led to the business, and then nagkaroon ng American suppliers, no?
Next is you have to keep your body fit because
You have to keep your
yes,
body fit, no?
since you
Oo.
are a problem solver, be ready. Kasi yung physical mo, not only your
How do you
mental.
keep your body fit?
I play triathlon. So, swim
Triathlon
bike
ka?
run. Yeah. I am an Ironman finisher.
Ironman. Oh, guys. This guy is an Ironman.
Yeah.
Ito, tungkol sa negosyo to, ha? Hindi lang pera-pera ito, no? Hindi lang idea, hindi lang perseverance, hindi lang 'yon. Kasi kinakailangan physically fit tayo.
Yeah.
Para na sa ganon, gumagana ang ating utak at hindi tayo madaling ma-stress, kaya natin. Kasi pag madali tayong ma-stress, guys, no?
Hindi
I
natin
tell
masosolve
you,
yung problem.
hindi ka makasolve. Kasi you're trying to solve the problem of others, di ba?
Yes,
How can
exactly.
you solve the problem of other people when you yourself have a problem?
Yes. Your physical problem is not solved eh.
You can solve your physical problem because you have to be healthy.
Yes. And
Guys,
then,
kasama sa entrepreneurship to, ha?
yes.
Be fit, be physically fit, no? Triathlon.
And
How
last
can
part,
you-
I think, is yung natin, integrity. Integrity guided by God. Kasi,
Integrity.
yes,
Oo.
yun yung magbibigay sa atin ng break kasi yun yung pinakamalaking puhunan na meron
Oo.
tayo. So, kahit may pera tayo, kung wala tayo nung integrity, walang taong
Correct.
makikipagnegosyo sa atin.
Would you believe that your satisfied customers are the ones selling for you now?
Yes, of course. Because we don't have any ads sa Sa bira akong lumabas sa
Hindi
social
siya
media.
nag-ads,
I
hindi siya
don't put my
nagpo-promote.
TikToks or
Kasi
anything.
pag kumita yung B2B mo, dahil satisfied yung customer niya, na inaalagaan mo hanggang sa customer side, pag kumita yung B2B mo, tiyak, lalaki yung business niya.
Saka sila yung pinaka-best promoter ng business.
Siya yung best promoter, guys. This is the lesson, You don't have to spend too much on Facebook ads, actually. Ang unahin mo, yung business model mo, make sure that it works. And when you go out to the market, make sure the customers are happy. Kasi kung malungkot yung customer mo, sabihin sa iba, nabudol ako. Di ba? Ito satisfied yung customer. Pag satisfied yung customer, yung mismong B2B na kliyente, satisfied yan kasi kumikita siya. At siya mismo, hindi na rin siya mag-a-advertise. Lumalawak yung kanyang branches, di ba? Na
Siya na
walang
yung mag-e-expand.
kahirap-hirap. And the key is what you do inside your company.
Yes.
You have perfected the business model. You have perfected the automation, the system, and you make it work para na sa ganon, hindi nagkakaproblema yung laundry business na nagiging madali sa may-ari. Nagkakaroon siya ng time for his family at kumikita siya. and the customers keep on coming back. That is the business that works.
Yeah.
Hindi mo kinakailangan ng malaking kapital kasi parang naglabas ka ba ng malaking kapital dito?
Actually, wala akong pera eh. Pure
Wala siyang
talent.
pera.
Pure talent. So, during that time, syempre wala naman ako talagang puhunan.
Oo.
Employee ako. So, nung
Oo.
na-found out nung naging partner ko ngayon na dati kong client na meron akong talent na pwede naming i-spread out o
Oo.
maging business, doon nagsimula yun na inipon ko yung mga shares ko tsaka yung mga naipon ko sa talent ko.
Ayun.
Yun yung dinagdag ko na pang
Ayun,
ano,
gano'n lang
capital.
guys, no? Ipon-ipon kung ano yung pwede matipid, no?
Yeah.
Dadating ka rin dyan, di ba? Ang importante is marunong ka humarap sa challenge at pinagsilbihan mo yung taong nasa harapan mo. Yung challenge pa yon na sinolve mo, yung pala yung magiging susi para makapasok sa isang malaking business. That kind of business that you never imagined is gonna happen because you have the Lord
Yes.
backing you up, no? If in your business, in your mind, you are serving the Lord, no? Happy yung customer, happy sila, no? You're serving the employees, then you will be okay, okay? In spite of the challenges.
Before we continue, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang team behind Kapayaman Story, Burst Creative Studio. If you're a business owner, content creator, coach, or entrepreneur na gustong mag-level up ng content mo online, Burst Creative Studio can help you create professional content that connects with your audience. From podcast production, social media content, reels, photo, and video production, hanggang sa full content creation solution, they have the team and the studio to bring your ideas to life.
Ano yung bagong pananaw mo na pwede mong impart sa ating audience na matutunan nila?
Okay. Sa side ko, kasi since I'm not started with business family talaga, so hindi ko maintindihan kung paano yung mag-start ng business. No? Pero na-found out ko na along the way, ang only way para magkaroon ka ng magandang team sa business is yung team mo is maging kamukha mo din.
Ayun,
Inspire mo sila.
minumultiply mo yung sarili mo.
Yes. That's why yung mga
Oo.
employee namin, right now, we have already 21 employee with own laundromat business. So, nag-share sila para mag-start sila ng business nila while working with our company.
Oo.
So, at the same time, yung mga idea nila dun sa business nila na in-start up with our company na kanila, nagagamit nila naman to help yung mga customers naman namin
Ayun.
na ongoing yung challenges, kapareho ng challenges nila doon sa business na. So, parang nagiging practice na nila doon sa trabaho nila is yung business itself na meron
I
sila.
see.
So, binigyan namin sila ng mga franchise to start up their own.
Oh, they have their own franchise.
Yes.
Wow, grabe ano.
Meron kaming 21 na employee na ngayon, right now, na magkaka-partner sila. Nag-boot up na
So,
sila.
yumayaman din yung mga employees mo.
Definitely.
Galing, ha? So, guys, eto yun, ano. I believe, no, na may mission si Roderick, no. Hindi lang it's about customers, it's not about building a business, kundi empowering his own people to prosper, di ba? And sometimes pagka negosyante, ang style ng negosyante is utos lang na utos sa kanyang mga tao, di ba? Kaya hindi lumalaki eh. Ang ginawa mo is ang sabi mo, you are multiplying yourself, di ba? Kasi kung mamumultiply mo yung sarili mo, no, ibig sabihin, kabisado niya yung vision, yung mission. He owns the vision, mission of the company. Parang kanya na rin yung kumpanya, no? At yung values, na-embrace niya yung values ng may-ari. Kasi pagka ganon, solid yung team eh. Unity ang importante eh. Kasi you're moving towards one direction and one goal, ano? Year after year, you're part of the achievement, no? At yun na nakaka-empower sa tao na is part of something bigger than himself, no? Kahit na sabihin mo, nagwawalis ka lang sa kumpanya na yon, no? Tagawalis ka, janitor ka, you're part of a bigger vision. If you can impart that to your employees, that is part of the bigger vision of the company, then he becomes part of the team, no? Hindi lang siya pinagbubutihan niya, of course, di ba?
Yes.
That's why you were even able to help your people build their own businesses. Napakaganda, no? Napakaganda ng mission mo, Roderick, no? Believe ako.
Thank you.
It's time to promote your company and your service, Roderick.
Okay.
Tell us about it.
Okay. Those who are interested to put up their laundry, kailangan nyo ng tulong, nandito lang kami. So, let us talk about it and paano natin i-align. So, of course, we need to assess kung ano yung potential nung franchisee, at the same time yung lugar kung saan ilalagay before we do the execution. And then at the same time, we do also yung mga laundry businesses with hospitals. So we're not only catering household, of course, we have hospital laundries, so under Prime Laundry. So if you're interested, just let us know.
Ayun. So thank you very much for watching this, no? I believe na marami tayong natutunan. Ako, grabe, ang dami kong natutunan about business. And wag tayong ma-intimidate. Pagbutihan natin yung ginagawa natin ngayon. And pwedeng yan yung susi para makapasok tayo sa business. Remember, ang kapayaman, we don't believe that you need lots of money to start a business. Minsan, delikado pa ngayon. Kinakailangan i-develop natin yung ating abilidad at i-acknowledge natin si Lord na nagbigay sa atin ng abilidad, the ability to create wealth that comes from God. So thank you very much in behalf of Kapayaman and Roderick Dilag.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you very
Tito
much.
Bonnie.
If you enjoyed today's conversation and gusto mong matuto pa kasama ang ibang entrepreneurs and professionals, I invite you to join our Kapayaman VIP community. It's a place where we learn together, grow together, and support each other's journey using practical business strategies and biblical principles. Visit Kapayaman and become part of our growing community.